Your camera is not the problem. Annoying, I know, because blaming gear feels amazing. My footage looks boring, must be the camera. My video has no emotions, must be the lens. My clients did not cry, must be the bitrate. Well, today I'm going to tell you all those excuses are flat out no. Hi, I'm James from Yehagraphy. I spent years filming weddings, corporate videos, events, interviews, and today I'm gonna be showing you basically what a 100-year-old filmmaking trick has made videos better all the time. The wide, the medium, and the close-up. If your video feels flat, this might be the missing piece. So like and subscribe, and let's make your shots actually do something.
Shoot that moment, don't let it break. Yehagraphy.
Most people are not shooting scenes, they're collecting clips. A sunset, a coffee cup, someone walking in slow motion, a random close-up of a plant, maybe a drone shot because apparently everything needs to start from 400 feet in the air. And look, those shots can be beautiful, but beautiful footage does not necessarily mean meaningful footage or meaningful video. That's like buying expensive ingredients and making a really sad soup. So every shot needs a job. So like the wide tells us where we are, the medium tells us what's happening, and close-ups tells us what to feel. It's simple, useful, and still undefeated, like rice.
That sounds good, wife. Cannot go wrong with rice.
Before we hit 4K cameras, autofocus, drones, LUT packs, YouTube thumbnails, where someone points at literally nothing, filmmakers already are trying to solve one problem. How do I guide the viewer? Early cameras were massive, but even with those giant old cameras, filmmakers figured out something powerful. Camera distance changes feelings. A wide shot gives the audience the world, a medium shot gives the audience action, and a close-up shot gives the audience emotion. That is why this still works today. Technology changes, storytelling principles do not. And apparently neither does our need to buy more lenses. It's good for your bank account. The first shot is the wide shot. This is the where are we shot. If you're filming a wedding, show the venue. If you're filming a business, show the workspace. If you're filming a family on the beach, show them the ocean. Show the viewer the sand, the place where the memory is happening. People skip this all the time. They go straight to the face, the details, and basically the vibes. But the viewer has not even arrived yet, right? So that's like inviting someone to your house and immediately handing them soup at the doorway. So let them come inside first, you know? So the wide shot does not need to be fancy. It does not need to be a drone shot. It just needs to say, here we are. The wide shot is exactly like an invitation. So please stop throwing soup at your guests, basically. The second shot is the medium shot. This is the what is happening shot. This is where people work, move, cook, build, prepare, teach, or even completely forget how to act, how to use their hands when the camera turns on. That is why action helps. Do not just film people standing there, standing in front of a wall, a product, a sign, standing with energy of someone waiting at the DMV. That is not a scene. That is like surveillance footage with just better lighting. So give them something to do. You gotta direct them. So like walk, work, cook, look here, build. I mean, there's so many things depending on the subject matter. Adjust the mic, open the door, basically make them look like a human. When people are doing something real, they look more natural because act natural is somehow the fastest way to make a human stop being human. So have them do something that is natural to them. If this already makes you rethink your footage, hit the like. So I know this is the kind of breakdown you want even more. Also, it helps the channel. So, and emotionally, it helps me pretend that the algorithm and I are friends.
Hey, algorithm, are we friends?
The third shot is the close-up. This is the what should we feel shot. A hand, a ring. These are not just pretty details, these are emotional instructions. They tell the viewer to pay attention. This matters. Beginners often stay wide because they're scared to miss out everything, right? But when you're trying to show everything, sometimes people feel nothing. So the close-up gives the viewer permission to care. And on social media, close-ups matter even more because people are watching on tiny screens while doing 5 other things and pretending they are not addicted to their phone. So a strong close-up cuts through all of that. It's basically the emotional slap your footage needs. So here's the formula: the wide, medium, and close-up. The next time you film anything, do not overthink it. Don't blame your camera. Do not spend 3 hours watching gear reviews. Do not buy another lens at 1 a.m. and tell yourself it's business growth. Just shoot the 3 shots: a wide, a medium action, and a close-up detail. Then ask yourself, do I understand where we are? Do I understand what is happening? And do I feel something? And if you answer yes, then congratulations. You're not just collecting clips, you're telling a story. And your bank account survived because you did not buy another lens. So kudos. If this helps you, hit the like so I know this kind of teaching is useful. Subscribe if you want more filmmaking lessons without the boring film school headache. And comment below with one word: wide. That way I know you're gonna at least try the 3-shot challenge. So, or comment with what you're filming next, so I might use it maybe for a breakdown in one of my videos. I'm James, this is Yehagraphy, your friendly neighborhood video dude, helping you tell better stories one frame at a time. And remember, your camera is probably fine, please don't buy another one. Your shot just needs a job.